Today was the day we were supposed to have a Stablefund AMA, and Michael, Ray, whatever his name is, he was supposed to come on and essentially give an update on what's going on with Stablefund. As we know, a few weeks ago, everything went absolutely to shit, and now everybody is waiting for a refund. I know most of us and a lot of us have been waiting for a refund all the way back from August 30th. And now basically Michael, Ray, whatever his name is, decided to go ahead and cancel the AMA that was scheduled for today. And he says tomorrow's AMA is canceled. We are getting release from the exchanges. We will be putting up a landing page in the next 15 days where people will be able to input their wallet address and get refunds if applicable. So this is awesome news because, again, we have another great timeline in the next 15 days. I think he's been saying that ever since he was born, because we've heard that phrase, it's either 2 to 3 weeks or 15 days, and that has literally been the same thing ever since they started talking about refunds and talking about new things for Stablefund. It's always been the same timeline, so this literally means absolutely nothing. And if we go back to when I made the video on December 11th, I said, will SFUSD be the fastest stablecoin to depeg? Obviously it was, and we've seen that it literally lasted 2 weeks and it was gone off of the face of the earth. It's absolutely sad. I know a whole lot of people lost money. I'm still waiting for some refunds as well, and I don't have access to their stupid website anymore. If we go to Stablefund app, it just says, you know what, good luck getting your refund, and that's basically it. So I do only have proof because I document everything on my crypto journey here. So I made a video a few days ago about what happened to Stablefund and what it once was, and that's the only reason why I can still see the amount of BUSD that is entitled to me. This is essentially my refund that I should be getting. Not too sure if they have funds to refund everyone or if we're going to get a percentage of the amount that we're supposed to get in terms of refunds, because of course you have to take into account that they kind of just gave 20% more in SFUSD to other people who rolled over. So is that taken into account in the refund? Hopefully not. Who knows what's happening at this point, but essentially I'm still waiting for my $659. I know a lot of people are waiting for a whole lot more money than that, and hopefully we do get some answers and we do see some refunds happen, because it's absolutely disgusting. And on CoinMarketCap, if we take a look at this, I mean, yeah, it's at 2 cents, and that's basically what it is. There's just no liquidity wherever you go. Everything is out, and probably the reason why they decided to cancel the AMA is because they got released from the exchanges. I know Binance had held some of their funds, so I'm not too sure if the AMA was for them to ask all of their community to let them have access to their funds. Now, there's obviously no way of knowing that, because now we're stuck in a loop of 15 days, and who knows, maybe Michael or Ray is just going to run away with the money that they now have access to withdraw, and who knows what's going to happen with that. So last but not least, I just wanted to go over how many holders of SFUSD there was. There was about 13,282 addresses. Now, if we take probably a handful of those out, or maybe 100 out, let's just be hypothetical here, there's about 13,000 people who got affected by this, from empty promises to literally anything you can imagine. People lost a lot of money, and I really do feel for everyone here. So again, 15 days from now brings us to about January 20th. Be on the lookout for any emails. They are supposed to contact us via email. I have a hard time believing we're ever going to see some refunds back, but if we do, then all the best. But again, if you are investing in crypto, only invest money that you can't afford to lose. And this is probably the prime example of why you should be doing that, because if I would have invested the money I need to pay for my mortgage, well, I would be absolutely screwed right now. And I can understand people who've done that, and just simply learn from your mistakes, and hopefully you won't be investing too much money in the next sketchy project, such as all of these other trading bots that are promising you the world and promising you a daily fixed APR when they only have back-tested data, and it's absolutely insane. Anyways, that's the rant today. SFUSD, it's been a blast. Hopefully we all get our money back, and that's a wrap. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.